Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can import contacts from SIM in OPPO smartphone. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. Then at the bottom section, open the Fix and Manage page. Then find and tap at the Import from SIM option. Select the SIM card you would like to import your contacts from. Hit OK. In here you can select the contacts you would like to import. I actually do not have any unique contacts on my SIM1 and SIM2 neither. So let me just real quickly create a contact that I will be able to import. So here it is. Then we'll get back to the import from SIM option, SIM1. So all the contacts should be selected, all the contacts you can import at the very least. Then select the Google account you would like to import this contacts to, or perhaps the device storage, if you please. Then hit the import button. Choose whether you would like to copy those contacts or migrate them, thus remove the contacts you are importing from the original source, or keep them at both storages. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.